Tumiso Dolamo, and I am your mentor for the course on material culture. I have been studying anthropology for the past 5 to 6 years. I started off doing my Bachelor of Arts degree at the University of Witwatersrand in Johannesburg, where I majored in anthropology as well as political sciences. I then went on to study my honors degree at the same university where I majored in anthropology, and I am now currently doing my Masters of Arts degree majoring in anthropology at the University of South Africa. My research interest is based on Black youth in South Africa as well as the Black women. These became my areas of interest because these are the spaces that I have observed growing up, and these are the spaces that I also occupy and will further continue to occupy as I continue my journey. My research has previously been on Black youth and fashion, and how fashion is used as a form of expression for the Black youth in a township here in South Africa. This is what the course will be based on. We will be looking at fashion as a means of expression. My research includes reading, writing, as well as art. And in terms of my academic journey, I do hope that I will be able to take it further in the future. This course is based on one of my researches on Black youth in a township here in South Africa, as well as fashion. In this course, we'll be looking at this research, and we'll be looking at how the fashion amongst the youth became a means of expression for their lifestyles, their needs, as well as their identities. This is something that has interested me, and it has shown me certain perceptions that I didn't have at the beginning of the research, and I'll be sharing this with you throughout the 6 weeks. During the course, you are more than welcome to comment, to bring in your own observations or opinions, and to even share your pictures and thoughts with myself as well as the rest of the classmates. I will be uploading videos every week on materials of the course, as well as uploading additional reading and notes on the classroom as well. So please make sure to check the videos as well as the notes so that you get the best of the course and get all the information that you need, and the information that hopefully will interest you and help, and get the information that hopefully will interest you and help you on your journey going forward. Thank you so much for joining my class, and I hope to see you soon.